Hidden inside advanced factories, one of the world's strongest materials begins as simple strands and is transformed into carbon fiber. Before carbon fiber becomes a high-performance material, it begins as carefully prepared precursor fibers. Every strand must meet exact standards before it enters the transformation process. Inside carefully controlled ovens, the fibers are stabilized and prepared for extreme temperatures. Through intense heat and controlled conditions, the material loses unwanted elements and becomes almost pure carbon. Thousands of microscopic carbon strands combine to create a material stronger than steel at a fraction of the weight. Every layer is tested for strength, consistency, and perfection before becoming part of advanced products. Precision weaving turns individual fibers into powerful composite fabrics. Specialized resins bind the carbon fibers together, creating lightweight structures with extraordinary strength. Layer by layer, carbon fiber becomes the lightweight structure used in aircraft, vehicles, and advanced technology. Every surface is refined to achieve the flawless finish expected in aerospace and high-performance engineering. Advanced inspection systems verify internal integrity long before these components reach the real world. Individual parts are combined into lightweight structures capable of handling extraordinary loads. Before entering service, every design must prove its strength under carefully controlled testing. Modern aircraft depend on carbon fiber to fly farther while consuming less fuel. From elite sports to professional equipment, carbon fiber has transformed countless industries. After passing every inspection, these advanced materials begin their journey to customers around the world. As technology advances, the next generation of carbon fiber promises to become stronger, lighter, and more sustainable than ever before. From microscopic fibers to world-class engineering, every finished component represents thousands of precisely controlled manufacturing steps. Behind every carbon fiber component is a remarkable collaboration between human expertise, advanced robotics, and scientific innovation. Light enough to redefine engineering, strong enough to shape the future. Carbon fiber is more than a material, it is the foundation of tomorrow's innovations.